Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a video of this Duracraft 8-inch. I thought this was 9, but I saw somebody else's video of a fan like exactly the same as this one. But they said it was 8, not 9. I thought this was a 9-inch, but I guess not. Anyway, in table fan in my bedroom, at my cabin. This is a 2-speed fan. Guess I'll show you the label on the bottom if anybody is wondering. There's the label. All right, I have to this way. Yeah, this fan has been up here for as long as I can remember, actually. It blows good air. It's decently loud, which is good for me because I use this to sleep at night. Some people do, some people don't. Like, all my family's like that. Well, my mom, my stepdad, and me are like that. So we'll start this out on low. It's blowing good air. I usually set this thing on a high when I go to sleep, because it's louder than low. Speaking of high, here's high. It's blowing good air. I didn't really give you an airflow test on low. It's a bit dirty, it needs to be cleaned, but I have to take it apart to clean it. It's this, I think. Not sure. And finally, off. Thanks for watching, bye.